wall and put a perfect stand here. Or here, instead of that shelf.
Sammy, stop! What's wrong with you?
Oh, Susan, hi. Do you remember you told me we can't get fish because there's no place for an aquarium? So I came up with a plan. If we break that wall...
Stop, Sammy. Wait a moment. We're not gonna break anything.
But Sue, fish are so beautiful!
The wall's not bad either. If you want it so badly, I can show you how to make a temporary aquarium.
Why temporary?
Oh, because we'll eat it. Okay, Sammy?
I'm here, Sue. Where's the fish tank?
Nowhere yet, but we're gonna make a wonderful jelly cake with an aquarium inside. Hi, guys.
Whoa, I'm dying to taste it.
Just wait a little bit, and our cake will cheer you up.
Okay.
Guys, you can use your favorite chocolate sponge cake recipe or just take a boxed cake mix.
It seems like cooking is a kind of meditation for you, right, Sue?
Actually, it is. It's like creating a really tasty piece of art. In peace and quiet and not thinking about anything else. Here we go. And one more layer. Watch this, guys. If we want to see the fish in the water, we should use a lot of jelly.
Don't forget to secure everything. There should be no leaks.
Right you are, Sammy. Here we go. Awesome. Now everything is safe and tall enough.
Then Chef Sam is ready to work.
Oh, really? Do you know how to turn this into a mousse?
Well, first, let's add a little bit of green food coloring.
That's a great idea. Whoop, whoop.
Now we simply need to whip the mixture up.
Right, Sammy. Guys, this is a mixture of milk, gelatin, sugar, and vanilla, which we heated up and then cooled down a bit. When whipped, it becomes really fluffy.
Ask an adult to help you with the mixer, guys.
And this is how our mousse should look at this stage. It will set a little bit later and won't be this runny. This is how you should do it. Carefully.
Sue, can you handle it without me for a bit? I need a nap.
Only if it's a small nap, sleepyhead. And while Sammy's away, we're gonna make a sea jelly. I think we have enough time for this. We will pour the jelly powder into hot water and then mix it well. Like this, until the powder is completely dissolved. Perfect. And of course, we're gonna need some food coloring, because aquarium water is usually kind of greenish. Awesome. Now we'll stir it once again.
Sue, I've checked. It's ready.
Oh, Sammy, I didn't expect to see you here. Did you sleep well?
I couldn't fall asleep. I needed to make sure everything is good here.
I don't know what I would have done if you hadn't been here.
You'd probably redo some steps.
Look at this arrogant slime. It's important to start with a thin layer, so we can put koi fish and decorations on top. We need to leave the cake in the fridge to let it set a bit. Don't go anywhere, guys.
Aha! Didn't expect to see me here? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I've seen the jelly making process and look! I made some jelly too, but I use milk instead of water.
Oh, when somebody says decorations, Sammy is always nearby.
Whoa.
But what will it be?
What decoration is easy to find in every aquarium?
Let me think. I got it! The pebbles.
Ooh, I love riddles so much.
I want our pebbles to be marbly.
What do we need for it?
First comes the liquid jelly, like this. And the next step is milk chocolate. Wonderful.
I know! And then dark chocolate.
Bingo, Sammy. Whoop.
Don't tell me we have to put it in the fridge again. I don't have time for that.
Okay, Mr. Impatient. Whoosh. Let's see. All done.
Huh? What? Oh, did I miss everything?
Aha! Guys, what wonderful pebbles we have here. So pretty.
Sue, nothing personal, but I don't think they look very realistic.
You are so hard to please.
What is this? It's nice and warm. And what about this one? Oh, it's cold. Brr.
Now let's dive in. It's simple. Warm water helps to smooth the edges, and cold water helps to set them. Now, are they realistic enough for you? Guys, check out these pebbles. They look cool, right?
Yeah, you did such a great job, Susie.
Thank you, Sammy.
And what will you say about mine?
Wow, when did you manage to make these?
I am a pro after all.
Are you ready for fish, guys?
Sue, I just checked. Koi fish have some spots on their backs.
No problem. We can easily paint them.
I love decorations.
I love when you're so helpful. Like this, guys. Carefully.
Sue, don't you think that our aquarium will be a bit empty with just fish and pebbles? Seems like something's missing.
Do you have any ideas?
What about seaweed? There's no aquarium without it.
Where are my little containers?
You mean these ones?
Yup, thanks.
What have you done? It's just gonna be 2 pieces of jelly now. And what about the seaweed?
Sammy, don't panic.
Sue, what are we gonna do now? Oh, my tibby dabba. I don't feel good.
Sammy, you're such a drama king. But one injection will fix everything.
Oh, I'm feeling much better now.
Duly noted. While I was calming him down, the jelly has set. Guys, ask an adult to help you while working with the syringe. It can be very sharp.
Can I try that too?
Of course, Sammy, but be very careful. What is it this time, Sammy?
It's impossible to get the jelly out!
Are you sure you've tried everything?
Look! It doesn't work!
Oh, it's a pity. I don't know how to make it work. If only there was a way. Whoop. Wow! Yay!
And you didn't tell me?
Want to try?
If you help me.
Sure, Sammy. It's time to assemble our cake. First, we're gonna pour some clear fruit jelly. Here we go. And before it sets, we can place all the details.
Don't forget about the seaweed.
How can I? And this one goes here. One more over here.
What about the fish, Sue?
Sure, Sammy. They're coming. Great. Now we should wait, because the first layer needs to set, or all the decorations will float up.
Why don't we speed up time?
And the last step, we need to pour some clear jelly on top again. Just like this. Make sure to cover all the decorations. Like this. Great.
I don't want to wait again. Please, Sue.
Okay, Sammy, let's use some magic this time. That's better.
That's a nice trick, Sue, but we need to check one thing. Ah, perfect height, and seaweed looks great underwater.
Guys, our cake is almost ready. Let's remove everything we don't need anymore. I'm gonna get some tools for that.
Whoosh! Susie will be surprised.
Whoa, I guess there was a leaf fall here. Now let's remove the plastic protection carefully with a toothpick. Let's get that cake out.
And while Sue is busy, give us a thumbs up.
We're at the finish line, guys. Be very careful here. All we've left to do is decorate the edges.
Ha! I'm ready for a taste test.
And I guess we need to prepare some tea first. And you guys can check out our aquarium cake once more.
ready to cut this beauty. Just look at all these details.
Did you change your mind? Are we not going to eat it?
Of course we are. It's a temporary aquarium.
Here we go. Be careful with the knife, guys.
Looks like you're cutting the water. Am I right?
Wow, this piece looks awesome.
Wow, so beautiful. Can I also have one?
Sure, but first we need to bring the spoons and say bye to our viewers.
Bye-bye, guys.
Oh, Sammy, thanks for being with us, guys. Subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.